Without a thorough examination from the doctor, it's really hard to tell if the cough that your son has is something totally benign or something to be worried about. So my recommendation is that you take him in and the doctor can assess him one-on-one and ask you different questions about his symptoms and decide if it's something that warrants further investigation or treatment. Sometimes coughs can persist a long time after having a simple cold, or maybe this cough could be attributed to something more serious such as whooping cough or asthma. So again, my recommendation is that you talk to the doctor and have your son checked out if you're concerned about it. I hope that everything's okay with your son and there's nothing serious going on. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page and recommend us to your friends and family too.